How to unhide post on Facebook timeline. So if you want to unhide post on your Facebook timeline, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and after opening, on the upper right corner you will have a three-barred icon. Tap on that and then tap on your profile, and now scroll down and search for a post. And after searching the post, on the right side, upper right side of the post, you will have a three dots icon. Tap on those three dots and then you will have hide from profile. You can tap on that and tap on confirm, and now you have hided that profile, right? So now if you want to unhide that, go back and then go to your profile, and now on the right side of your profile you will have a three dots icon. Tap on that and then go to activity log, and now scroll all the way down, and now tap on the last drop down bar, scroll down, and you will have hidden from profile. Tap on that and you can see what are the posts that you have hide from profile. So if you want to unhide these posts, tap on the three dots, and after tapping on the three dots you will have add to profile on the bottom option. Tap on that, and that's it, you have added that to your profile. It was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.